Hi everyone, today I've received two items from GearBest. First one is this, it's a UE OTG adapter that adapts a USB to a micro USB and an 8 GB USB, which is also a Wi-Fi stick. The first one, as you can see here, is a very useful tool to to use USB with your phone directly without needing a cable or anything else. As you can see, here it is. It's very small but very great tool. The other item is the 80 GB USB. It's also a Wi-Fi key. I'll show you how we can use it. Okay, I'll try to put it in my computer. Okay, when you insert it, it comes with a program. That's the file to install. When you install it, it gives you this one. Now you see that it is connected. You should connect with your phone or computer or to another Wi-Fi router to connect to internet. And of course you can use it. It's XiaoMi. Use it to store your data. Now let's unplug it to show you how to use it with the other tool that we bought. This one goes directly in the USB like that. As you can see, I've put it here. Now you can directly plug it to uh, your tablet or your phone to extract data from your USB without needing any other cable or so on. You can even use it with your USB cable, normal one, to transform it to a charger or another use. Thanks for watching.